Okay, so my third extraneous variable is demand characteristics. And demand characteristics essentially is talking about when the participants know the aim of the study and they change their behaviour in order to fit that aim. Or they change their behaviour to try to sabotage the aim, okay? So remember, I've got condition A are my students who don't attend revision club, and I've got condition B, my students who do attend revision club. Now again, I'm assuming that the reason that these guys have done so well in the psychology test is because of the fact that they went to revision club. But it turns out that this group know what the aim of the study is. They know that I'm trying to work out if revision club is the reason that they're doing better. They want to fit the aim. They want to fit it because they like me. They want to go along with what my aim is. So they're going to work extra hard in the test compared to condition A. So they're working really, really, really hard to get the answers right. The reason that they've got the higher test results then is not because they went to revision club, but because they tried harder than condition A in order to fit my aims. On the opposite side of that, we could also have had condition A students who worked out the aim, but because they don't like me very much, they've decided to sabotage the results. They're not going to play along. So they've gone into the test and they've decided, no, I'm not going to try very hard. And that's the reason they didn't do as well as my condition B. So again, it's not revision club alone, it's not my independent variable that is causing that better performance. It's not the independent variable that's having an effect on the dependent variable. It is the extraneous variable. So how do we stop that extraneous variable from becoming a confounding variable? How do I stop demand characteristics from actually having an effect on my participants' performance? What I would do is I would use a single blind technique. So single blind technique is the idea that the participants in my study are completely unaware of the aims of the study, okay? So I might do this by just not telling them the aims, okay? Not explaining what's going on. I might do that by only telling them what they're going to do in the test once they arrive, okay? So they might not have worked out those aims. And that means that neither group is going to try any harder because they want to meet the aims, and neither group is going to try to sabotage because they don't know the aims. Both groups are working naturally. They're doing what they would normally do in that situation. And that way I can be sure that it is the revision club and not demand characteristics that are affecting their performance.